for 77. Hendricks, who joins Sobers, is neatly caught by Engineer for no score. Sobers battles with only the tailenders for support, and the tailenders respond magnificently. 73 runs are added for the 8th wicket and 80 runs for the 9th wicket. Hall is bowled by Prasanna, but not before he has added 31 valuable runs. Sobers is caught behind the wicket of Shekhar when he is 5 short of his century. West Indies are 2 runs ahead of India. The gain is evenly balanced as Sobers leads his men onto the field. Sardesai and Engineer open for India again. All bowls to Sardesai. Now Sobers to Engineer. All to Sardesai and his leg before for 0. Ajit Warekar comes in. All to Engineer and he is caught by Butcher. His score 24. Gibbs to Warekar. Warekar hooks and pulls with impunity. Griffith to Warekar and it is a 4. Warekar is caught by Sobers off Gibbs for 67. Gibbs to Pataudi and he is caught again by Sobers for a mere 5. Hanuman Singh does some hard hitting. Griffith to Hanuman and he's bowled. Score 50. All to Subramanya and the ball goes to the boundary. Surti is caught behind.